Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch, and my subject is computer. So student, I am going to discuss the first topic of class 3, Know Your Computer, of the chapter number 1. The student, now come to the my topic, what is computer? The student, what is computer? So computer is a machine which is made by a man and that it runs in electricity. That is why that machine is called as a electronic machine or electronic devices. Once again I am repeating you, computer is a machine which is made by a man that runs on electricity. That's why computer is called as a electronic machine or electronic devices. You see here I have written what do you mean by computer and see the computer image. Just like this one, that is your computer. That means in the computer that is called as a monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. Some of the hardware are there. Is that clear? Next come to the some of the features of the computer student. The first feature student, the computer is working very speedily. That means within a less amount of time computer can do so many works. That means if the human being will calculate 100 student percentage, that means it will take time 1 hour, but in case of the computer it can calculate within a minute 100 student percentage. Is that clear? That's why the computer is working very speedily. Next one, computer can never any mistakes. So computer can always write the answer. That means it is always giving the right answers. So student, when you calculate means 4-digit number, 5-digit number of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, it may chances from the human being to do mistake. Whereas the computer, that means your calculator, it can never be mistakes. 100% accurate result. That's why we are preferring that such type of the computer. Student, the next one is a computer has a large memory to store the information just like the human being. All the students are reading for what purposes? To do a better work, to do the better job in a future. Is that clear? That means you are reading, you are promoted from one class to another class. In that case, that means you have to give the exam. So in that exam, you remember first, then you write the answer. That means to remember in your brain, that is your memory. That means our human brain is a memory. In the same also, computer has also brain, that is called as a memory. That means the brain of the computer is called as a CPU. You see this one, CPU. The CPU is ultimately called as a brain of the computer. That means it has large capacity to store the information. Student, next we'll discuss some of the types of computer. So there are different types of computer according to their sizes and types. You see there how many types of computer. There are different types of computer. That means 4 types of computer. The first one, desktop. You see the image of the desktop. Why that is called as a desktop? Because that type of computer will be placed on the table, on the desk, and it has CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor. Is that clear? That means it is not possible to shift from one place to another place. It is possible, but it is difficult. Always be shifting from one place to another place. And student, next computer type is your laptop. See the image of the laptop. The student, the weight of the laptop is less than the weight of the desktop. That means we can easily carry from one place to another place while we are traveling. Is that clear? And same work, what you work on the desktop, same work also will be done in the laptop. Next one is a tablet. So student, you see tablet is also one type of the computer. Same work we are doing, but it is very smaller in size as compared with the laptop and desktop, but bigger in size as compared with the smartphone. So student, in a tablet all type of work also will do, and it is a senses of the finger touching on the tablet screen. Next one is your smartphone, and nowadays we are all using smartphone in our home. For what purposes? Playing music, play game, then watching movie, etc. The student, the smartphone is also one type of the computer and is very smaller in size as compared with the top of three: desktop, laptop and tablet. And same work also we will do in the desktop, laptop and tablet also. And that's why we are most preferable the smartphone. Now the smartphone is most popular as compared with the desktop, laptop and tablet, student. So in this way we are dividing the computer are of different types. You see there and remember that one. Next one, student, computers in our daily life. That means in our daily life, father, mother, brother and sister, relative, all are using the computers each and every moment. Once you get up from your bed, immediately we are using the computer. You see how? Student, you see there. You see there is a refrigerator, washing machine, then TV, then your speaker, printer, grinder, micro oven. So many types of the electronic devices are used and all are the computers. Your refrigerator is also working as a computer. Your micro oven is also worked as a computer. Your television is also working as a computer. That means each and every day we are using the computer. So these are all the computers in our daily life which we are using. So students, that's it. We have discussed the first chapter, computers in our daily life, of the topic computer fundamental. So that's it. Thank you. Best wishes.